What is strikethrough? Strikethrough is a feature in Microsoft Office that is useful for striking out text in the middle or creating a horizontal line in the middle of writing. The way to make a line in the middle of writing in Excel is very easy. First of all, prepare the writing or words that we will make a line in the middle. Then select the word or text, then right-click on the mouse and select Format Cells. Then select the Font tab. On the Font tab, check the word strikethrough in the Effects section. After that, click OK to save the settings and see the results. Well, how about friends? How easy is it? That's how to add a line in the middle of writing in Excel. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends.